Hello students, class 9. Today I am discussing our chapter 6 and 7 MCQ questions. Okay, internal and external I want to discuss. So chapter 6 you can see fundamentals of computers. This is our book. Internal question and external question I want to discuss. This is very simple question. So MCQ question, okay, multiple choice. So the set of instruction is called, we can say, program. Okay, IT stands for, we can say, information technology. Okay, information technology. You can see the correct answer. I already ticked which unit of the CPU perform arithmetic calculation. So we know very well ALU, arithmetical and logical unit, will responsible to calculate which of the following is volatile memory. So volatile memory means data will erase when power is not available. So we can say RAM. RAM is random access memory. So RAM is our volatile memory. So we must save our data before switch off our computer. Okay, which of the following is a pointing device? So we know very well mouse is our pointing device. Which is the port of the CPU? CPU means central processing unit. So we can say VGA. VGA means video graphics adapter. Okay, this is a cable we can use to connect monitor and CPU to transfer data, video data, we can say. Entering the data into computer is called, simply we can say, inputting. USB stands for, so we can say, universal serial bus. Okay, pen drive and we can use. Which of the following is an example of microcomputer? So our personal computer, because in personal computer we can use microprocessor, so microchip. So we can say microcomputer, personal computer. Our PC, desktop computer, we can say. Email is used to send text message from any part of the world. So email is electronic mail. Okay, using internet we can use email to send text message from any part of the world. You can move an item or object on the desktop by pressing, we must press left button, we can use, and then select, then we can drag and drop, so we can move. Which key used to access help? So we must use F1 key to display help of any application, current opening application. Contains all the deleted file and folder. So we know very well recycle bin is used to hold all deleted file and folders. The right bottom of the desktop contains, so we can say this is our system tray. You can easily restore the deleted file once again from the, we can easily restore recycle bin. To select non-continuous, or we can say non-adjacent file or folder, okay, so we can say control key. Suppose you have multiple files and folder, you want to select it randomly, unorderly. So first you hold the control key, then you select randomly. So with the help of control key. Shift key we can select continuously. Caps lock, it is continuously, regularly type capital letters. You can move a folder by using, simply we can first select, then when we can use cut, then move the desired place, then we can paste. So we can say we can move a folder by using cut and paste. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Okay. Which of the following is web browser? So we can say Google Chrome is our web browser. Okay, Google and Bing, this is our search engine, but Google Chrome is our web browser. Is a computer language called network protocol that enables computer to communicate with another. So we can use TCP/IP. TCP/IP protocol, we can say transmission control protocol and internet protocol. This is a network protocol and that enables computer to communicate with another. Which is the most widely used to search engine on the world? So we always use Google to search any kind of data. So this is our search engine, we can say. This is a special website we can widely search our data. So we can say search engine. Okay, this is also a website, but this website give our desired content. Camcorder and mobile phones are, we can say, digital media devices. To attach a device and make it operational, one needs to get installed, so we must use device driver. Suppose you buy a new printer and you can connect the printer to our computer, but computer and your printer must communicate each other, so printer software also required. So printer software, we can say in technically device, printer is our device and the printer software, so we can say driver. Here we can say device driver software of printer we can install in our computer, then our CPU and printer communicate each other. So any hardware device require a special software, so we can say in technically device driver. Okay, this is also a software type. What kind of software seems to useful in beginning but will cause damage to computer to once installed? So virus. Okay, virus first build our trust, but suddenly it will damage our data. So it is a clever program. This software used to send out data regarding the computer user browsing habits and personal information. So spyware is used to spy our data. McAfee, Symantec and Kaspersky are example of, we can say this example of antivirus software. Exercise of chapter 6. RAM is a volatile memory. The flashbed and handle are the types of scanner. Which of the not a antivirus? Google is not a antivirus. A webcam is used to video conferencing. Which of the use hammer? So impact printer always impacting to print the data. So we can say striking a generate voice. So we can say impact printer. Which will you use install and remove hardware settings? So we can use control panel. Fire and floods are example of, you know very well, this is natural problem, natural threats. You can find information by using search engine. Search engine example, we can use Google. www stand for World Wide Web. When you visit a website on the internet, so we can say you can access the service of internet, we can say www, World Wide Web. Which of the following is IP? Who provide you your internet connection? Airtel mobile company. So we can say this is our internet service provider. Now I am discussing the chapter 7 internal MCQ question. The name of chapter 7 is mastering typing. Mastering typing, this is our chapter 7. So I am discussing internal MCQ question. So first question is, which of the following removes text just to right of the cursor? Okay, right of the cursor. So we can use delete key. We can use delete key. The most popular design of the keyboard, so we can say QWERTY. So you can see this is a sequence which are available on any keyboard, so we can say QWERTY. The caps lock key is also called, we can say toggle key. Toggle keys means on and off. Same key we can on, same key we can off. So caps lock is our toggle key. Caps lock, num lock, scroll lock, these are toggle keys. The rows which begins from caps lock is called, we can say home row. Okay, home row. You will put the middle finger on the number by, so you can see in num lock the 5 plastic key on a special dash emboss we can use to identify the 5. The numeric keypad helps to enter, simply we can say numbers, but first you on the num lock light. The text panel is an area which see the text which you use to type. This is your rapid typing software. So text panel is an area which you see the text which is to be typed. WPM means words per minute. So we can measure our typing speed in WPM, words per minute. The result window consists of, we can say it have 2 tabs. Which window display result of all lessons? Which window display result of all lessons? So we can use statics. Statics window display result of. The statics window consists of, it have also 2 tabs. The lesson editor window is used for customize our lesson. So lesson editor window is used for customization. Which of the following contain the existing lessons? So navigation tree we can use, and we can see our previous attempted lesson you can see. Okay, exercise question of chapter 7. Which of the following key delete character just left of the cursor? So left we can use backspace, right we can use delete key, but left you can use backspace. Touch typing is a technique of typing text without looking at the keyboard key. So we can use touch typing is a technique without touch typing is a technique of typing text without looking at the keyboard keys. The finger hits correct keys on the keyboard through, so we can say muscle memory, or we can say force of habit. With the help of we can type correct letters using the keyboard keys. The appearance of text panel can be changed by using screensaver. Okay, we can perform an animated design screensaver. CPM stands for, the word CPM stands for, we can say characters per minute. Okay, the full form CPM. Okay, so today I am discussing our chapter 6 fundamental of computer and chapter 7 mastering typing internal and external MCQ question with answers. Okay students, thank you so much.